So today is September 14th. It's about 3:30 in the afternoon, and we are having a big windstorm here in Dayton. These are actually shingles that came off the house next door to us. Just to give you an orientation, this is my house right here, the red house, and these shingles that are down here blew off the roof up there. You can actually see them from my bedroom, which faces this house. And over here, catty corner, is a house that's being redone. They're starting on this roof. They started there last week. They have their tarp here, and some of the shingles that they just nailed down on Thursday and Friday have already blown off, and this tarp has been blowing like crazy in this wind. Actually, if you come over here, you can see some of the tree limbs that have been blown around. There was one that almost hit my car. Here's some more shingles right here that came off of that roof. It's been a pretty crazy windy day here in Dayton, Ohio today. This is a nice big gust right here. Another shingle that just came down. Damn near hit me in the head. So, yeah, just taking a little survey of the damage so far. Hopefully my window doesn't get hit by a flying shingle. So, yep, good times here in the big city. Right now, we are in the middle of Huffman Avenue, right by my house. This is actually the intersection of Huffman and 4th here in Dayton. We have the corner church right here. You can see all the leaves and debris here in the middle of the street. The car coming up Huffman. You can see all the leaves right here in the middle of Huffman Avenue. And all the debris down here on 4th Street. There's a lot of leaves and a lot of debris everywhere down here. A lot of limbs. A lot of people surveying potential damage. There's my house right there. No shingles have come off our roof yet. Give it time. You can see it on the house next door to me. Ah, there's a shingle. There they go. These are shingles that are flying off the roof here in the house next door to me. Look at the sign. Look at the sign moving. Woo! And this has been going on. It actually knocked out our power. Oh, what did you say? Power went out about an hour ago, you think? Yeah, we haven't had any power for an hour, so this has been my entertainment for a while after I got done reading a book. That is a lot of stuff. Whew. Ooh, wow, look at that tree limb snapped over there. I don't know if you'll be able to see it here on the video, but the tree limb is definitely cracked. I don't think there's any major damage, just a lot of knocked down limbs and trees. My car's down there. It's got a couple of branches next to it. Ow. I don't know if you'll be able to see. I'll try to get an angle where you can see this a little better, but there's a shingle up there. If we get another gust or two, that might just come off of there, so Here's all the trees and limbs down in our neighbor's yard and almost into our yard. Yep. Windy day.